Hi, my name is Jen Charchuk. I am with the Jamie McMartin Group. I have been part of the JMG family for about a year and a half now, and I cannot say enough about this team. This team has brought me to a completely different level in my life, and I cannot be more thankful. So, funny story, when I joined the Jamie McMartin Group, I actually joined the week that schools were getting shut down, businesses were getting shut down, all because of COVID. And so it was a really, really crazy time. At first, they were like, how are we going to take on a trainee? But then we just found the way. Nate and Jamie and Jen and all of the back office, they were there to help and support me. Shannon, my mentor, she was there. We did our Zoom calls. We made it all the way through, and it was great. With the Jamie McMartin Group, they really focus on pivoting and learning a new direction. So just because we were in the middle of a pandemic, we did not stop. We just kept on doing and working and trying to figure some things out. We adapted to the new way of doing things, and that is probably the best part of the Jamie McMartin Group. Everybody is learning and trying to better ourselves and succeed and keep on moving forward. So one of my favorite parts of being part of the Jamie McMartin Group is that I still have flexibility. Don't get me wrong, my schedule is still very tight. I follow a schedule every day. We do our team meetings 3 times a week, which is fantastic. It really keeps us accountable, but it gives me that time to be able to still be at my kids' sporting events, go to their schools when I want to, and being able to interact with my friends. So it's a really great career. I cannot think of a better career to be in and a better team to be part of. So my advice to somebody that is maybe new to real estate or thinking that they'd like to get into real estate is really consider joining a team.